This video will explain what an educational plan is and how you will use it. An educational plan is an ongoing record of your meeting with your advisor. It includes a list of advisor-approved courses specifically required for your degree, educational goals, and a list of referrals to other student services and notes on each meeting with your advisor. You will use this list of advisor-approved courses to register for classes and to stay on track for graduation. Your educational plan is based on two components. Your first component is your current degree program requirements. Your degree requirements are listed in a document called Curriculum Outline. The Curriculum Outline shows you the categories of requirements such as English, Liberal Arts, and Mathematics. Within each category, it shows you specific course requirements and descriptions of types of courses that may be selected to fulfill the requirements of that category. Your curriculum outline is located in your orientation folder or in the new student orientation email you received from the PowerStart Program Associate. Your advisor will review the outline with you and explain the requirements of your degree. If you have earned transfer credits, these may not count towards your degree program and will be used to determine the appropriate courses for your first semester. If you have taken courses at other colleges or earned college credits while in high school, you must send an official transcript to Onondaga. That transcript will be evaluated for transfer credit that applies for your Onondaga program. The next component we use to build your educational plan is your placement information. As a new student at Onondaga, you took placement tests in English, reading, and math, or used some other documentation such as transfer credit or SAT scores to establish your current placement. Your advisor will use your individual placement to determine where you will begin in those subject areas here at Onondaga. When your advisor builds your educational plan, he or she starts with your academic department's recommendation for first semester courses. This list is called a template. It is the starting point for you and your advisor to identify the specific courses you will take your first semester. To begin actually building your educational plan, your advisor goes next to your placement information. The template for each department is designed for the student who places into college-level courses for English, reading, and math. Your advisor will use your individual placement to determine where you will begin in those subject areas. Please note, it is college policy that students placing into a non-college credit preparation course must take these courses in the first semester. Finally, you and your advisor will discuss your career and/or transfer goals. We need to understand these goals in order to determine which courses are most appropriate for helping you to work towards your goal. It is a combination of all this information, career and transfer goals, degree requirements, and placement results, that leads to good decisions about your first semester course selection. There are two additional pieces of information on your ed plan. You and your advisor may feel you could benefit from support services, such as tutoring services, the Writing Center, or the Math Lab. You may need to speak to someone in financial aid or the registrar's office. These notes will be added to your educational plan. Your advisor will write a summary of your meeting, highlighting discussion points, suggesting alternative course choices, and noting items for follow-up. You will be able to read these notes anytime you access your educational plan. Your educational plan is online, so you can view it at any time. Please log into your web access account and go to Current Students menu. On the right-hand column, you will see a category, Academic Profile. In the list under the title, you will find a link for My Educational Plan. Click on that link and it will take you to your educational plan. So you've met with your advisor and you have an ed plan. What's the next steps? Your next steps are to build a class schedule by identifying open sections of the advisor-approved courses on your ed plan and to register for the courses in the sections you have selected. Please take notice. Building the educational plan with your advisor does not mean you are registered. Thank you for watching this video and welcome to OCC.